Dasaita G13 head unit for Toyota Tundra Revue, the wireless CarPlay upgrade your truck needs. You're driving your Tundra and that tiny factory screen freezes again. No CarPlay, no real navigation, just frustration every single commute. Thousands of Tundra owners feel this exact pain. I watched a friend miss a critical highway exit because his N-tune couldn't reroute fast enough. The truck is capable. The technology inside just never caught up. Sound familiar? Every hour spent fighting that outdated system is time you're not enjoying the drive. The mental drain adds up, squinting at small screens, fumbling with Bluetooth that disconnects randomly. It quietly steals the experience. One owner told me he avoided road trips entirely because the infotainment stressed him out. But there's a smarter way forward now. Don't just buy any aftermarket head unit. Make sure it has wireless CarPlay and Android Auto so you never suffer from clunky phone connections and outdated navigation again. That's exactly what the Dasaita G13 head unit for Toyota Tundra delivers. This isn't some generic Android tablet crammed into a dash. It's built specifically for the 2014 to 2021 Tundra with true plug-and-play installation. Everything connects directly. Steering wheel controls, backup camera, factory antenna, no wire cutting required. The 10.2-inch QLED screen is genuinely stunning. One installer mentioned a customer literally said wow when it first powered on. Another owner told me his passengers comment on the screen every trip. Here's what matters most. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor with 8 GB RAM means zero lag. Apps open instantly. Google Maps renders smoothly. Wireless CarPlay connects within seconds. And the built-in DTS audio processing? That's a quiet bonus most people don't expect. It transforms factory speakers completely. The workflow improvement is immediate. You start the truck, and within 5 seconds, your phone connects wirelessly. Navigation fills that massive screen. Your playlist resumes exactly where you left off. No cables. One long-haul driver shared that his 90-minute commute became genuinely enjoyable after installing this unit. Another Tundra owner with the JBL system said the audio improvement surprised him most. I thought I'd need new speakers, but the DSP tuning alone made everything sound richer. Automotive tech reviewers consistently praise the 256-gigabyte storage, enough for offline maps, downloaded music, and dozens of apps. The QLED brightness handles direct sunlight without washing out. What matters most to you? The screen quality, the wireless connection, or the audio upgrade? Here's what separates this from budget alternatives. Cheaper units use underpowered processors that lag constantly. The Snapdragon 662 is a legitimate mobile chipset handling multitasking effortlessly. Navigation, music streaming, and phone calls run simultaneously without stuttering. Professional installers report zero warranty returns. Reliability, budget options can't match. The factory N-tune system was the weakest link in your Tundra. This fixes that problem completely. The Dasaita G13 head unit for Toyota Tundra transforms your truck's interior from dated to modern in one afternoon installation. Inventory moves quickly on these units. Thousands of Tundra owners have already made this upgrade and consistently report it's the best modification they've done. The combination of wireless CarPlay, that stunning QLED screen, and genuine plug-and-play simplicity makes the decision straightforward. Link is in the description. First one, pinned for easy access. Your Tundra deserves technology that actually works.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.